Okay, fellow assembler rat rod wagon people. Just got this mocked up a little bit so you can see my frame there. And again, that's all from one of those, I think they call it a Hollywood bed frame. Now I left the key holes in there. And then I think maybe what I want to do is just sand it down. I'll probably leave the true temper down there and sand it down and just spray it with a clear. Anyway, I'm documenting this all the way through, so I'll put it on my YouTube channel if y'all want to watch it later, and I'll give you all the link whenever this gets up. Thanks for taking a look.